What will the Earth be like in 5 million years? The Earth will be a very different place in 5 million years. If current trends continue, the average global temperature will be much higher, there will be much less sea ice, and glaciers will be much smaller. Geographically, not a whole lot will change. The tectonic plates will be shifted. The only major topographical change will come from the higher sea levels. Earth's climate will be more extreme, changes in precipitation will occur, and weather will be more extreme. In the past, the continents were all arranged in one large landmass called Pangaea. Over the course of 670 million years, they shifted to their present spots, and this tectonic activity continues today and will continue to happen in the future. Some evidence of this are earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These plates will continue to move. They are moving today, they will move in the future. Now, 5 million years isn't a whole lot in geologic time, so the plates won't have moved much by then, but they will begin a projected trend of moving generally northward, away from the Atlantic Ocean and into the Pacific, with the exception of Eurasia, which will start to move southward and collide with Africa and Australia. Earth's climate will also change. Observations report a warming trend in overall temperature. This could lead to the melting of sea ice and glaciers, thus raising the sea level. In the top right corner, you'll see sea ice changing seasonally at the poles. Over time, as you go down, the sea ice gradually lessens each season. There will also be variations in precipitation, as seen in the bottom right. There will be much more precipitation towards the poles and the equator, and some in Central Africa. Generally, overall, there will be much more precipitation as seen in the green areas, and less over the South Pacific, Central Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. The frequency, intensity, and duration of extreme events such as hurricanes will also increase. The cause of this warming is greenhouse gas emissions. This is the most immediate cause and will cause the most change, and is projected to continue increasing as seen in this graph. Even the lowest emission pathway will take several years to start to decrease, and that's very unlikely to reach that low emission pathway. The more likely options all project a upward trend in our emissions. The temperature will increase from the greenhouse effect. Now, other factors can affect the climate, such as geology, and some believe that the Earth is in the third major cooling period that began 3 million years ago. However, the effect of the greenhouse gases is much more immediate and rapid, and will have a larger effect and cause a overall warming. It is impossible to accurately project the climate, but this general trend shows an increase.